Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Newrez Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in newrez.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Newrez Mortgage. Click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now from the portal, click on sign in to your account and you will be taken into the login portal. Now once you are prompted to enter your credentials, type in the username that you have set while creating your account within the username box and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Type in your account password and now click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account on Newrez Mortgage right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on forgot username as well as the forgot password button in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account with Newrez Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.